近一点，近一点，麦克。
The application of TPE is very wide. The application is very wide. It's not limited to the car. Today, I will make the introduction about those 3 products, including the waterproof sheet, spot material, spot flooring, and the damping material. Here you can see the information. The first, let's go to the section of TPO application in the waterproof sheet. The waterproof sheet is used in the railway, in the house, and in the water project, and also can be used in road. And also including engineering projection. And the waterproof sheet is there are 2 kinds. There are 2 grades. It also can be used for roofing. For this material, it is, has good property of the weather aging. I would like to share my knowledge on the TPO property. There are two grades of the waterproof sheet. The first is the grade is it's a semi-finished material for modification. It can be modified on the basis of this material. Now here, according to different applications, we classified it into 2 standards. It is the roofing at 7103. It is used for roofing. And we also have the basic material. This is a finished material. The customer can use it directly on the basis of this material. And for the extrusion material, this is the finished product material. The dampening material. And it can also use the elastomers. This material is featured by weather resistance. It's very excellent in weather resistance. It also the aging resistance. It can meet the national standard. It can be used for 670 hours. Another it is a light resistance. It can be used for a long time and valid for a long time. And then they say the certificate about the environmental protection. This is the very strict requirements of this material. This certificate tests a lot of parameters of this product. And another property is the tear strength. The tear strength is a very important property of this product, especially the puncture. The puncture resistance can be over 280 hours. This is the parameters of this basic material. This is the comparison between our product and the foreign products. It's nearly the equivalent product. This is the modified plastics compared with foreign products. This is the comparison and on the basis of the institution standard. Some product is the institution standard, some is the national standard. This one can meet the institutional standard. This is the roofing finished material. It can be matched with the national standard. This is the elastomer used in sport flooring. It is a trend in recent years. Now, there are three kinds of the sport flooring. The first is the plastic trunk, second is suspended flooring, the artificial lower filling material. For this one, it is composed of it used the recycled material. This one is the recycled rubber. The sport flooring, it is made from the plastic, but right now it's used by the new product. This is the TPE. This is the comparing to the traditional materials. We have the more advantages. First is the environmental friendly. The second is the high elastic. The third is the anti-skid and good mechanical property, and also very excellent is the weather agent resistance. For this product, we have the three leading grades. These three leading grades are most famous in our company. This is the grade for the TP65A. We have different colors. And the sport flooring, we have the three grades. The difference is it can be used for filling material, artificial lower filling. This is the content of the polymer of this product. It's environmental friendly. It also has a good property of the good coloring. Compared to other materials, we have multiple colors. This is compared to the recycled material, we have more colors. It can be chewed freely. And then at the weather agent resistance, at the TPO or TPV, it can be used. It's very good in in sport flooring. This is plastic trunk material. This is the test of the weather resistance. If you look at the picture, the color difference is very obvious. Especially on the left side, it's nearly whitening. In the light, the color difference is very subtle. This is the property of the heating agent. It is valid forever. Here I'm introduce something about the suspended flooring. There are two series materials. The first is the TPV series, another TPO series. They are belonging to the suspended flooring. There are some customers worried about there will be the oil migration in the lightning. Our TPV can be used here. It's very high stickiness. It's generally speaking in the lightning. In the all-weather environment, we can never see such phenomenon. There is no any oil migration. You can choose our product, TPO, oil-free. This material is very excellent. Next, we go to the section of the application of TPE in dampening area. And for the marketing, it can be used for electronic shock elastomer absorber. It can reduce the noise. The second advantage can be used for shoe material. It can protect the feet very well. This is the characteristics of this product. It's a good property of the dampening, especially in a high temperature. It can be, because the general elastomer cannot have this kind of property. It will be weathered very soon in a high temperature. For this dampening material, it can be used in high temperature. Especially even more, it can be designed to improve the flame retardant level. This is the characteristic of this dampening. The highest loss factor can be 0.9, but our material can be 0.1. The dampening factor has good quality. It can be matched with those flame retardant level. They are in those grades. There is one grade that can be chosen by the customer for good performance. Especially in 110 Celsius, especially the torque is can be kept. Those three materials can be matched with a different application. The first one is can be used for the high temperature environment. The second one is used in a general dampening. The third one is used it can be used for flame retardant usage. This is the comparison with the forming products. From those three grades, basically speaking, and the property, the mechanical property, and it is more excellent than the foreign products. One feature is the dampening is very excellent. The compression set is also excellent. This is the general introduction of our product. Thank you. Thank you.